I tried to make this video so simple, so that you can understand how I made this scenario with color pencil. It is difficult to blend color pencil, which is wax-based. I am using brushstroke color pencil. It has 72 color pencil with different shades, which make easy to make realistic art. If you know the correct technique to blend pencil color, it is very good art supply. This video is not sponsored. I am a beginner. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please make sure to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Press the bell icon for latest update. Stay with me till the end. Watch my other videos on the playlist which is popped up on this video or in the description. Tell me in the comments which other medium do you want me for making artwork. So satisfying. It is the tricky part to make shadow in water.
Let's go.
It takes me so much time to complete it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it.